Hi, my name is Ricky, and my presentation topic is Postmates, the function is self-editing favorite list. So, Postmates is an American company providing food delivery service by employing local drivers and couriers. Users can look for restaurants by inputting names and distances. The restaurants will provide their names, menus, and prices on their pages. Postmates offers users a platform on their devices to order food from corresponding restaurants and assign available tasks to drivers with positioning technology. Postmates also calculates the meal payment, taxes, and drivers' tips. So there is a problem on the Postmates. Users cannot save their favorite choices somewhere permanently on the platform, although the users can find their previous choices in search log, but that search log is temporary and will not last long. So this is possible that users may have difficulty in finding restaurants, like not remembering the names or cannot finding any corresponding results. Cases like this will affect user experience with Postmates and there could be fewer orders for restaurants on the Postmates. There is a solution of this problem. Uh, Allowing the user to create and customize their own list of favorite restaurants will help users to save their choices permanently on Postmates. A user's favorite list will be connected to his or her account, Postmates account, so that he or she can get access to favorite lists after logging in. Users can find their favorite in the list, which is faster than inputting in a search bar and safer than using history log. Users can also remove restaurants if they don't like them anymore. And here are the what the main interfaces look like after the function input. Market size. So according to the data on the Statista, the food deliveries revenue is about $40 billion and the number is increasing annually. The trend is shown in the graph here. Postmates has been a popular platform in United States major cities. By August 2017, in Charlotte, Postmates' percentage in share of food delivery industry was about 43%. After this feature is implemented, in the future, the number of orders will be increased by 20% to 30%, based on the increased frequency of orders after users can save their favorite restaurants, so that users may be more often to order the food from those restaurants. About the team, so in our team we have two people. The first is Raza Padhani and the second is John Miles. Raza Padhani, he has experience in building the similar functions for DoorDash, and he knows well about developing application on both iOS and Android system. So he will be working on building the main structures of the new feature. John Miles, he worked for Facebook before as a data scientist. He will design algorithms for data management and predict the user's future data. And here is the schedule. We can see the schedule has divided into 10 weeks into the planning, design for both systems, and we work on each system individually and debug individually. Then we construct a database for these functions so that the users can actually choose the restaurant to choose the restaurant to put into their favorite list, and then we do the final check. Then we put the function into the use. And here is the cost. So the total granted budget by the CEO of the Postmates is about $48,000, and the total working hours is approximately to be 400. And each person has an hourly salary of $60, and so that means both of them will have $24,000 in the end. So in summary, the problem is that the users cannot save their favorite choices on the Postmates, so we can let them make their own favorite list to fulfill that requirement. So that there could be three benefits. The first is that users can gain quicker access to their favorite restaurants, and the second is that the users' engagement will be increased, and eventually the number of food orders will not be decreased, and even will be increased, maybe. So more profits will be made if this function is implemented. Thank you for